Good morning, everybody. Thank you for attending this event. We are at recovery times of our economies currently, with various opportunities looming at selective industries, I would say. Dassault Systems would like to share our value proposition of our key solutions that will benefit you in the new normal. Now, let me begin by introducing our company, our legacy, our value proposition before we show you a little bit of our solutions, and then I will hand off to my colleague, Mr. Kelvin, who will be the star of today and show you more details of our solution. Now, our company, we are a 3D experience and purpose-driven company with about 20,000 passionate people, 100 nationalities across the globe, sharing the same values and same passion for innovation. Now, the Dassault System is actually the largest PLM, what is known as Product Lifecycle Management and 3D Experience enabler. We have the largest market share with about 270,000 customers in 11 industries all over the world. We do our business through about 13,000 partners in areas of sales, services, education, and even research. Now, this stability enables us to have a long, consistent strategy and long-term investment, enabling us and our partners and our investors to be one step ahead of the competition. We started this journey many decades ago. In the first stage was enabling 3D design to represent the surface of things, with the launch of our CAD products that enables engineers, designers in the areas of aerospace, automotive, and all the heavy industries. About 9 years down the road, the second stage was a concept called 3D digital mockup to represent the entire complex system inside and out. We showcased that in a project with Boeing, with the 777 project back in 1989. In 1999, we coined the term product lifecycle management to represent the value of time in 3D, where life cycle comes to end product lifecycle management concept. The fourth stage, about 8 years ago, was 3D experience to represent perception and emotion, how we bring to the company to the cloud. And in the future, we enter the fifth stage of our journey, right? Moving all this representation to the things of life. We call it the virtual twin experience of humans. The Dassault System is a 3D experience company. We have, over the years, acquired various brands, various products and solutions that today is represented with 13 of our brands. We stand for various social collaborative capabilities, 3D modeling apps, simulation, manufacturing, and even information intelligence applications, where we serve 11 focus industries with our tailored solutions to address their specific challenges. Now, today, I would like to start off with the concept or the title of this webinar, one of our key products, right, in entry to this experience called DraftSight Enterprise. What you see on the screen here is actually 3 of our solutions that we'd like to highlight today, namely 2D CAD drafting with our DraftSight products, a world-renowned solution called SolidWorks, and the next generation experience in cloud-based 3D design, data lifecycle, simulation, all the way to manufacturing, what we call our 3D experience works platform. Now, these 3 products, right, it has its own strength and capabilities and how it benefits you, our customers. DraftSight Enterprise is later on Kelvin Ang will detail in detail, right, all its capabilities and solutions and how it benefits you. It's essentially a feature-rich 2D drafting solutions, various capabilities. It's suitable for various professionals and industries such as architects, various disciplines of engineering, from mechanical engineering, electrical, even all the way to technicians, draftsmen, and various construction service providers. Now, bear in mind, DraftSight Enterprise, right? One of its key value proposition is DWG format and seamless integration with solutions and many other Dassault Systèmes application, such as 3D Experience, our cloud enabled capability. Now, our award-winning world leader in design, SolidWorks. SolidWorks does process change, streamlines design to manufacturing processes. The benefit is helping our customers to reduce lead times in their manufacturing to design processes. It is a market leader with fully integrated design to manufacturing solution, very easy to use, intuitive, process-driven solution to help our customers to oversee the big picture of the entire process, from conceptual design, simulation, also known as validation, various collaboration, communication, all the way to management of engineering data. How it works is it enables customers like you to do various analysis studies, detailed mechanical design, prototyping, from electronics to various simulation and tests, detailed drawing and documentation linking to manufacturing, machinery, additive manufacturing, and all the way to data and project management, linking to enterprise resource solutions and even manufacturing execution software. 3D Experience Works, ladies and gentlemen, is our next generation platform. It's cloud-based 3D design lifecycle management capable tool with various roles and applications for simulation, intelligence, and all the way to even manufacturing capability. It is secure, very flexible in collaboration with all your stakeholders at any time, anywhere, and on any device. Most importantly, right, ladies and gentlemen, it is very easy to deploy. It's technologically scalable to various Dassault Systèmes brands such as Innovia Works, Delmia Works, SolidWorks, and many of our 13 brands. Now, in summary, before I hand over to Kelvin, these are the three solutions which we're going to highlight, which we're going to focus on DraftSight today. Maybe in the next series, next time we're going to focus on a little bit on SolidWorks and our 3D Experience Works platform. Now, how it works is, right, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, all these 11 industries and various processes from product management, sales, design and engineering, process planning, quality assurance, manufacturing, supply chain operations. You have our processes and how some of our solutions such as DraftSight Enterprise, SolidWorks, and our 3D Experience Works, right, benefit you to achieve your business goals with our value proposition of we are the industry leader with end-to-end solution, easy to use, secure, and cloud connected. Our value proposition of flexible licensing, both term and perpetual, and multi-user enabled value solution, and most importantly gives our customers peace of mind, ease of deployment, and technology scalability. Thank you very much. I would like to hand over to my colleague, Mr. Kelvin Ang, to show you some of the details, right, to walk you through some of the details of our solution. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kelvin Ang. If you look at the slides, this is my linking QR code. Let's get connected. If you have any further questions or any other issues, we can always get in touch. First, I would like to play an introduction video. Now, this video is carefully selected to give you the overall idea of how DraftSight Enterprise handle the daily needs of the engineers.
Design professionals, known by their talent and their tools. Professional tools, creating first-class results. Professional designers demand the best and choose DraftSight, a 2D drafting and 3D design experience. Easy to learn, easy to use, so you can design faster. Whether you're in the office, at home, or in the field, everything you need is at your fingertips. Streamline the design process and get professional results in record time. Integrate your favorite design tools. Increase your productivity. Share your designs and collaborate. With DraftSight, you can easily bring your designs to life. Seamlessly transition from other CAD applications. Harness a robust, fast, diverse platform to unlock your creativity for any industry. Your design, your choice, your CAD. DraftSight. Learn more and buy now. DraftSight.com.
Okay, sorry about the delay. You notice that the video is showing you that DraftSight Enterprise can be used in mechanical design as well as architectural designs. But today, most of you are here. I think there's one immediate question that you will ask yourself or you want to ask us is, why change? 2D software has been around for many, many years, about 35 to 40 years. And why are you making a change? And why should you consider a change? So the challenges is today many companies are using expensive 2D software. And as years go by, the increased cost of software ownership and usage has become a challenge for the company. So the companies is constantly looking for cheaper and better solution. And what they are practicing is that they are dependency on the certain software, which is the single source of 2D software supply, and have to use basis that you just need to use the software. So what is the impact of this dependency on the 2D software supply? Is the increased company operating costs. High cost to maintain the legacy 2D drawing from the IT department. The decision is that we need to look for alternative. How about the 2D drawing data management? That are you able to manage your 2D data, or is it manually being maintained? So constantly engineering companies, architectural companies, they are looking at the break-even charge. Is there an alternative solutions? So here today, we would like to propose to you our proposed 2D solution. This solution is easy to use, which is most of you are looking at. Number two is that you can open up your legacy drawing, which you have accumulated for many years. And at the same time, it maintains the data accuracy of your 2D drawing. And most of all is that it will achieve the ROI analysis to have the break even. So what will be the desired outcome? Is that you have the increased profitability as years go by, because your engineering departments, your users, your company staff will enjoy a smooth transition to a new 2D solution, and at the same time reducing the drawing error. And most importantly, for the benefit of the company, it will decrease the cost of software ownership. And as years go by, there will also be increased technical support if the switchover is done. And as a result, there will be increased productivity. So where is the DraftSight typical deployment? Throughout the last 10 years, that I've seen companies that use DraftSight for mechanical component design. Very detailed design with detailed dimension, and also use it for machine design. At the same time, they also use the 2D package for electrical design, and most commonly, they use it for plant and factory layout process design. On the architectural side, I have seen interior design company use DraftSight, and of course, architectural design company, which is the typical DWG drawing for the legacy drawing data. And for the mechanical and electrical design for building, which is what we call is the MEP. So if you look at the screen, the left side is show that DraftSight has been used for mechanical design, mechanical component design, and on the right side is DraftSight has been used for the architectural design. So you can see that the typical file format is DWG. Let's look at one customer solution and the benefit the customer gain from using DraftSight solutions. Is that the customer is handling custom material handling system. Their challenges is that they want to increase productivity and at the same time reduce the cycle time on the design. What happened is that they adopt the DraftSight Enterprise 2D solutions, and they will use their DraftSight Enterprise 2D solution for their legacy layout and P&ID development, and at the same time manage their 2D legacy design data. Now, the benefit also increase when they start using the integrated 2D data within the PDM system, which enable them to easily search for drawings for the projects. And they also enjoy the easy to use from the DraftSight. What you see here is a DraftSight user interface, and this is a MEP drawing. You can see that there's a layout drawing, and at the same time, detail drawing at the bottom right corner, which detail to the construction industries how to adopt DraftSight for the detailed design. The next drawing shows the example of DraftSight being used for machine design. And you can also detail the bill of materials with the balloons in the DraftSight drawing. This slide, as you can see, is that the plate, a mechanical component. What DraftSight can do is that you can do a detailed GD and T annotations, including the flatness of the machine components, showing the cross sections and detailed tolerance and dimensions of these particular machine components. After so many examples, I'm going to showcase you 4 videos where DraftSight has been deployed. Number one is that for those who are in 2D software user, you will know that the dynamic block is very powerful, especially for the AACC industries. So in this video, you can see that how DraftSight is able to adopt the dynamic block design into their AEC industries. And for interior design, when presented a pictures, that they can use the image tracer from the DraftSight to quickly size up the interior design. And not only that, for a machine component with pictures, image tracer can also be used to trace the machine component design into the 2D drawing. The third video is about Home by Me for the AEC design. Now, Home by Me is a 3D architecture design software, and it can use the information can be used for the DraftSight, and just simply adopting a drag and drop into the DraftSight. Or Home by Me can export the data and just import into the DraftSight. So the fourth video is, as for this year release, is what's new in DraftSight 2020. So let's take a look at the video.
Users sometimes need to convert raster images to DWG files, and manually retracing an image is a very time-consuming process. Previously, this involved third-party software. I have already imported a floor plan of a house. To convert this raster image to a DWG file, go to the Add-ins menu. Select Image Tracer, and choose the profile that best suits your image. In this situation, I am selecting Floor Plan High Quality High Res Image. Next, highlight the image, and the conversion will take place in a matter of moments. If you click on the Advanced tab, you have various options to improve the conversion. For example, under Line Options, you can switch from double to single lines, which can clean up and remove unwanted lines. Once you are satisfied with the results, click OK. If you're happy with the converted image, you can delete the original image file. In this example, we're going to use the Image Tracer command to convert a logo to a DWG file. Go to the Add-ins menu. Select Image Tracer and choose the logo profile. Highlight your logo, and the conversion will take just a moment to complete. You can change the transparency of your original image to make it easier to see the converted data. If you're happy with the conversion, click OK. You can now delete the original image file. The Image Tracer command can easily handle complex images. In this example, we are going to convert this 3D gear image to a DWG file. Go to the Add-ins menu. Select Image Tracer and select the desired profile. Highlight your image and let the conversion complete. Rather than change the transparency on this image, we are going to click on the Hide Image option to view the conversion. If you are happy with the results, click OK, and you can delete the original image. After you've logged into your Home by Me account from the DraftSight task pane, you can browse your projects from within the DraftSight application. Highlight the Home by Me project you want to import, and click Select Project. Once the project loads, click Settings, and select the units for your project. In this case, we will select feet and inches. If you have multiple floor levels in your project, select the level you want to import. Once happy with your selections and settings, just click Generate. DraftSight will then generate a fully dimensioned 2D CAD drawing. DraftSight fully dimensioned 2D CAD drawings. Begin by exporting your project from the Home by Me site by clicking Export. Next, open DraftSight. Go to the Import menu and select Home by Me Floor Plan. Now you can click the Browse tab to import your homeby.me.dhsbm file. Select the desired floor plan. Click Open and click Generate. DraftSight will then generate a fully dimensioned 2D CAD drawing. DraftSight 2020 delivers powerful new automations and integrations which help improve detailing quality and reduce tedious tasks, saving you countless hours of design time. Long anticipated and highly requested, dynamic blocks are now supported in DraftSight. Your legacy data can now be migrated with full intelligence and configurability. Dynamic blocks contain rich configurations for easy manipulation and handling of blocks. For example, simply click on arrows to change the opening direction of this dynamic block of a door, or select its size from a pull-down list. Further enhancements allow you to automatically add dimensions to selected elements. Then preview and easily adjust your dimension placements as desired. Additionally, dimension extension lines are automatically trimmed, eliminating the need for manual trimming or adjusting when dragging dimensions to other areas of your geometry. DraftSight 2020 also delivers more integrated workflow benefits, with 3D Content Central now available directly inside the DraftSight task pane. Browse thousands of user-contributed and supplier-certified parts and assemblies, and simply drag and drop them into your drawings as blocks. DraftSight 2020 makes it easier than ever to create professional-grade drawings in a fraction of the time. Learn more and get DraftSight 2020 today at DraftSight.com.
So in summary, how DraftSight can save you costs. That's the main challenges that most of the company face. Bear in mind that DraftSight can create, you can edit your legacy drawing, and can view and at the same time do markup of any kind of 2D or 3D DWG file. And with greater ease because it recognizes the command and the speed and the efficiency. Easily transition from other CAD application because the user interface is very familiar, as you can see from my presentation earlier on, and also at the same time the command that the DraftSight Enterprise use. Fine. Because the transition has been smooth and the opening and editing of the legacy 2D drawing has been efficient. And as a result, your challenges will be overcome by at the same time maximizing the design productivity. So if you are considering adopting these new solutions, what is the system requirement? It's very simple, as you can see from the screen, that you just need the Windows operating systems and just download the DraftSight and install and use. So you can be on the productive path within one day. So for that, I will end my presentation.